In this video, I'll show you how to automatically collect payments with Stripe. First, sign into your Stripe account and open the Stripe dashboard. Next, decide how you want to collect payments automatically. The most common method is through subscriptions or recurring invoices. After that, go to the products section and create a product or service. Then add a recurring price by selecting a billing interval such as weekly, monthly, or yearly. Now, create a payment link or checkout page for that product. Stripe will automatically charge customers based on the billing schedule you selected once they subscribe. Next, make sure customers provide a valid payment method during checkout. Stripe will securely store the payment method and use it for future automatic charges. After that, review your billing settings and enable any automatic invoice collection options that apply to your business. This allows Stripe to attempt payment collection without requiring manual action. Now, test the setup to make sure recurring payments are being processed correctly. Verify that subscriptions, invoices, and payment notifications are working as expected. Finally, monitor your subscriptions and payments from the Stripe dashboard, where you can track successful payments, failed charges, and customer billing activity. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to automatically collect payments with Stripe. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to subscribe to Learn Mode Lab for more tutorials.